Prep A Theory Book, pages 30 and 31. Bass clef notes, left hand C position. Question number 1. The first note is C. Next is D. Next is E. Next is F. Then G. Then F. Then E. Then D. Then C. Question number 2 are the notes in spaces. The spaces are C, E, G. The first note is C. The next note is E. The next one is G. Next is E. Next is C. Then is E. Then G. Question number 3 at the top of page 31. The notes in lines or through lines is D and F. The first note is D, F, then D, then F. The same note, F, then D. The same note, D, then F. Question number 4 mixes up the lines and the spaces. The first note is C. Next is space E. Next is line D. Next is line F. Next is E space. Next is G space. Next is line F. Next is line D. Next is space E. And the last one, space C. Question number 5 have notes that repeat. The first note is C space and C space again. The next note is D line and then D line again. The next note is E space and space E again. The next note is F line, then line F again. And then we have space G, again G space, and one more time space G.